Hi, this is Rick. I chose Blooket. It was recommended when I first got here to Vietnam to start teaching by my coworkers, and I just never bothered because I already had Bamboozle. Um, but for this assignment, I decided to check it out. It looks like a pretty clean and easy user interface over here on the side. The question-making format kind of reminds me of Kahoots. So you can make your own sets. You can go discover some sets here. So quickly add a question. This is vocabulary for my weekend kindy class that their main teacher gives them 6 words, and we go over them. I go over them in English with them, and we play a little game usually on Bamboozle. But what I'm doing is I mix the previous week's words with the new week's words to see how much they're retaining, if they're just memorizing long enough to get through the class and forget or not. Let's see, beach, Bamboozle, airport. So here it's done. We have 4 questions set up, kind of similar interface as Kahoots again. Mention that, and then it's just simply a matter of save the set. We're not going to play that. We'll just go over here and grab a random one to show gameplay. How I'd probably use this with the kindergarten kids is just to do a solo match, solo game, and then launch it here. Pick one of these. Let's check out tower defense. Here we got gameplay. Oh, can't put that there. But basically it's just here. So what type of dog is this? That is a Irish Wolfhound. Keep going here. And that is a Doberman. And as we get more correct, and that is a Bulldog. So now we got more options to choose from. As they get tougher, just like the basic game. This might not be a good game for the kindergarten kids looking at this tower defense thing. I'd probably find something different out of the options for them. It would be a pretty good idea for some of my older kids, 1st, 2nd grade, 3rd grade, to host the game on Blooket for them. Anyway, this is Blooket. Thank you.